Alright, hey, what's up guys? This is a tutorial on how to upgrade your SSD. You're gonna need one of these, USB to SATA, if you can get a 2.5. And since I opted for a Samsung, you're gonna need the Magician software. So this is just to optimize it. You need two things, and you need the migration. Data migration. Hold on. Samsung data migration. Right here. So you need the where's Magician? Yeah, right here. Samsung migration software right here. And you would just open it and migrate everything. What else? The Magician software. Samsung. So this is the Magician software. The software use the migration software to but plug in the SSD with that first. But this is for the Samsung EVOs. I opted for a Samsung EVO because they last longer. So I bought the Samsung EVO. Bought one of these guys. See, I purchased it. It's pretty quick. So how much space? I could benchmark it. So I got 3000, 710, and 3437, 77, right? And this is to optimize it. And not system it's compatible, obviously. And I enabled rapid mode. So you gotta do these two things and make it quick. So trim is enabled. Trim is basically when it closes off blocks of SSD that are gone or broken, so it keeps it faster. So yeah, I highly recommend it. They have pretty good reviews. Well, there's some bad ones. If you get a defective one, I would return it right away. So I would use SSD like gaming every day for the whole month and see how it goes. And then, but it comes with like, I think, how long the warranty? But if you do warranty and it breaks, it just send you back refurb if it breaks. But like, that's pretty rare with like Samsung. They're pretty well built. They're like built like tanks. But the other company I recommend is Crucial. Crucial is also pretty quick. I like Crucial. Crucial, the Micron, and that's my other favorite SSD brand. Those are the top chip makers for memory. So even if you have Apple, they'll be trying to get memory from those guys, Micron and Samsung, because I used to be in the business. And yeah, bye.
This is trying to focus. So basically, it's migrating with Samsung data migration to the new SSD, the 60 EVO, from the 500 to 1 gig. We'll see. I recommend getting the 2 gigs. It's a little bit more money, but it's like $299.99. But yeah, you won't have so much weird issues. So yeah.